This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, your 12-digit Aadhaar and the mobile number registered with UIDAI. Once done, open the Aadhaar app or UIDAI lock/unlock biometrics page and choose Unlock Biometrics. You must request an OTP to verify identity, so make sure your phone can receive SMS now. This step proves you control the Aadhaar account and prevents unauthorized changes, which is why the official service requires immediate OTP confirmation. Before you now enter the 12-digit Aadhaar and request the 6-digit OTP, respond quickly because it times out. After entering OTP, select Unlock Biometrics and confirm. The system validates your OTP and account state. Pay attention to on-screen prompts. If additional CAPTCHA or consent appears, accept it so the unlock can proceed. Once the server processes the request, you will see a success message and often a reference ID. Make a note of that for your records just in case. You finish by verifying the lock status in the same lock/unlock biometrics screen. The status should read unlocked. If you see failure, wait 30 to 60 seconds and request a fresh OTP rather than repeating many requests in quick succession, which can block SMS delivery. If problems continue, use the transaction or reference ID and contact UIDAI helpline or visit an Aadhaar center, so they can trace the attempt and resolve authentication or account issues for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.